Hi, welcome back. My name is Carla Ralph, and on our channel today, we're going to be talking about content credentials. Now, I'm sure you've noticed in the news lately, especially just before Max and at Adobe Max, they were talking a lot about content credentials. So in 2018, the Content Credentials Initiative was formed together with Adobe, the New York Times, Leica, Nikon, Publicis, just to name a few of the organizations that are out there. So today in our session, I'm going to be showing you not only to activate the content credentials in your Photoshop application, but also the online browser app that you can upload your photos or your videos, and you'll be able to see the content credentials that you have tagged in there. And these will allow you to see if an image is an original, if it has been edited in any way, or if there is AI that was used to generate that image, allowing you to be trustful of the content that you are receiving. So as you can see, I've hopped over into Photoshop here, and let's say, for example, I want this content and I'm going to go and upload it. So I'm going to go to File, Export As, and normally I would go and choose whatever my settings are, but you will notice here that the content credentials are not yet available or not enabled. So in order for me to enable this, I'm going to cancel. I'm going to go to the window menu, and you can see here content credentials beta. And I am now going to say enable content credentials. So you can see here that it is going to take note of any AI generation that is taking place, me as the producer, any edits or activities, and I can even connect certain accounts if I want to do that. So you can see Behance, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and a couple of others. So now whatever I do to this particular image, so as you can see in this image, I have gone and used some generative expand on my particular image, and it's mentioning here that I have got some work that is using AI. And if I come out here now and I go File, Export As, you will notice now that my content credentials are being recognized. Let's just say, do I want to publish this? I'm going to say okay, and then I've got some options that I want to have here. So let's say, for example, I want to publish this. I am then going to say export. And let's go and put this just on the desktop for us to be able to use. So now I'm going to hop along to the content credentials page. And this is https contentcredentials.org/verify. And what I can go and do now is go and find that particular image that I was working with. Let's go and find it. Here it is. And I'm going to drag and drop it into the site. As you can see here, it has got the name of my document. You can see the various iterations. So you can see that it's using generative AI. You can see the final result. And on the right-hand side here, you can see that it was produced by myself using Photoshop. And I also used Adobe Firefly included in this. And then you can see everything that I did, what I imported, what I opened, what the elements were that I had done to create that particular image. So as you can see, you are in control of your content. You can prevent it from AI generating content based on your image. You can also inform people that that is actually your work and that what you have done. If you're interested in any other tips and tricks, please like our page, share it with others, and remember to put on the notification. Till next time.